So today in this video we are going to learn to arrange unlike fractions in ascending order. So we have given unlike fractions are 1 by 2, 3 by 4 and 5 by 8, and we have to arrange these unlike fractions in ascending order. So for that, first of all we have to convert these unlike fractions into like fractions. So to convert unlike fractions into like fractions, first of all we have to take the LCM of denominators 2, 4 and 8. So the LCM of denominators 2, 4 and 8 is, it is 2 times 1 means 2, 2 times 2 means 4, 2 times 4 means 8. So 1 as it is, 2 times 1, 2 times 2 means 4. So we can write LCM is equal to 2 multiple 2 multiple 2. So it is equal to 8. So the LCM of denominators 2, 4 and 8 is 8. So our first fraction is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equal multiple. So LCM is 8 and denominator is 4. So we have to divide the LCM with denominator, which is 8 is divided by 2 means it is 4. So multiplied by 4 and 4. So 1 times 4 means 4 by 2 times 4 means 8. Like as second fraction is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 into. So now we have to divide the LCM with denominator 4. So 8 is divided by 4 means 2. So multiplied by 2. So it is 3 times 2 means 6 and 4 times 2 means 8. Like as our third fraction is 5 by 8. So 5 by 8 into LCM 8 divided by denominator of 8 is equal to 1. So multiply numerator and denominator with 1. So 5 times 1 means 5 by 8 times 1 means 8. So we have converted these all unlike fractions into like fractions. So here like fractions are 4 by 8, 6 by 8 and 5 by 8. So now we have to arrange these fractions in ascending order. Ascending order means arranging from smaller to greater one. So in ascending order. So in ascending order we can write it which one is smaller here. So smaller is 4. The denominator part 8 is same, and in numerator we have 4, 6 and 8. So among 4, 6 and 8, 4 is a smaller one. So we can write is 4 by 8. Like as greater than 4 is 5. So it is 5 by 8. Like as greater than 5 is 6. So it is 6 by 8. So it is in ascending order. So here 4 by 8 is correspond to 1 by 2. Like as 5 by 8 is correspond to 5 by 8. Like as 6 by 8 is correspond to 3 by 4. So these all are arranged in ascending order. So first we have to take the LCM of denominator. After that, convert all the unlike fractions into like fractions, then arrange them in ascending order and correspond the given like fractions into it unlike fractions. So in the same way, now we are going to solve the second problem, and we can arrange these fractions also in ascending order. So we have fractions are 5 by 6, 2 by 9 and 7 by 12. So in first step we have to take the LCM of denominators 6, 9 and 12. So we take here LCM of 6, 9 and 2. So it is 2 times 3 means 6, 9 as it is, 2 times 6 means 12. So now 3 times 1 means 3, 3 times 3 means 9, 3 times 2 means 6. So we write here LCM is equal to 2 times 3 times 3 times 2. 2 times 3 multiple 3 times 2. So 2 times 3 means 6, 6 times 3 means 18, 18 times 2 means it is 36. So the LCM means lowest common multiple of denominator 6, 9 and 12 is equal to, from here it is 36. So now we have to convert these all unlike fractions into like fractions. So first fraction is 5 by 6. So 5 by 6 into. Now we have to divide the LCM with the respective denominators. So 36 is divided by 6 means it is 6. So we are now multiply with 6. So 5 times 6 means 30 by 6 times 6 means it is 36. So like as second fraction is 2 by 9. So 2 by 9. So now divide the LCM 36 with respective denominator 9. So 36 is divided by 9 means it is 4. So multiply with 4. So 2 times 4 means 8 by 9 times 4 means it is 36. Now our last fraction is 7 by 12. So 7 by 12 into. So now divide 36 by 12, it means it is 3. So multiplied by 3. 7 times 3 means 21 by 12 times 3 means it is 36. So now we have converted these all unlike fractions into like fractions, and we have to now arrange them in ascending order. So in ascending order. So in ascending order means we have to arrange them from a smaller one to greater one. So in denominator part there is 36. So now in numerator part we have 38 and 21. So among 38 and 21 the smaller one is 8. So it is 8 by 36, like as greater than it is 21. So it is 21 by 36, like as greater than 21 is 30. So it is 30 by 36. So we have arranged these fractions in ascending order. In denominator part we have 36 which is same, and in numerator part we have 8, 21 and 30, and these all are arranged in ascending order. So 8 by 36 is correspond to 2 by 9. So it is 2 by 9. Like as 21 by 36 is correspond to 7 by 12. Like as 30 by 36 is correspond to 5 by 6. So these all fractions are arranged in ascending order. So in this way we can arrange the given of any unlike fractions into ascending order. First of all you have to take the LCM of denominator part. After that divide the LCM with denominator and multiply the numerator and denominator with both with the quotient. So in this much for today, and if you have any problem regarding math then just comment your question in a comment below and we shall provide a video solution of your question. So thank you.